Can AI really spell the end for humanity? According to the godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, the odds just got a lot shorter. Hinton recently suggested there's a 30% chance AI could lead to our extinction. But how could this actually happen? One scenario involves autonomous weapons, machines making lethal decisions without human input. Another risk is resource competition, AI systems outpacing us in critical sectors like energy and finance, leaving humanity in the dust. And let's not forget unforeseen consequences. Advanced AI could develop goals misaligned with our own, leading to catastrophic outcomes. While these scenarios sound like sci-fi, they're based on real concerns from one of the leading minds in AI. But it's not all doom and gloom. With responsible development and regulation, we can harness AI's potential for good. So, tech enthusiasts, let's stay informed, stay vigilant, and keep the conversation going. The future of AI is still in our hands.